In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a WooCommerce My Account page with Elementor Pro. Before you begin, make sure both WooCommerce and Elementor Pro are already installed and active on your website. That part is important because the My Account widget comes from Elementor Pro, and WooCommerce provides all the customer account functionality behind the scenes. Once those are ready, open the page you want to use as your My Account page. If you haven't created it yet, just use the page that will serve that purpose for your store. With the page open, click Edit with Elementor to launch the visual builder. This will let you design the account page directly on the front end, so you can immediately see how everything looks as you make changes. Once Elementor loads, use the search bar in the widget panel and look for the My Account widget. When you find it, drag it onto the page. As soon as you place the widget, Elementor will generate the WooCommerce account area for you. From there, choose the account page layout that best fits your site design. This gives you the foundation for how the navigation and content sections will appear, so take a moment to pick the option that feels the most organized and user-friendly for your customers. Next, customize the labels for the different account sections. You'll want to update the text for dashboard, orders, downloads, addresses, account details, and logout so the wording matches your brand or feels clearer for your audience. Even small wording changes can make the customer experience feel more polished and intentional. After that, move into the styling options. This is where you can fine-tune the appearance of the menu, typography, colors, forms, and buttons. Try to keep these settings consistent with the rest of your website so the account page feels like a seamless part of your store. Pay attention to readability, spacing, and button visibility, since customers will use this area to manage important information. Once everything looks the way you want, publish the page to save your changes and make it live. Then go into your WooCommerce settings and assign this page as the official My Account page. This step connects your design to WooCommerce so customers are directed to the correct account area. Finally, log in as a customer and test every section of the account page. Go through the dashboard, orders, downloads, addresses, account details, and logout areas one by one. This final check helps you confirm that everything not only looks good, but also works properly from the customer's point of view.